Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photopea in 2026. Yeah, super easy, even if you're a beginner, so don't worry, just follow along. First, open Photopea in your browser and wait for it to load. Once it opens, you'll see the main workspace. Now import your image by dragging and dropping it directly into the canvas or going to File and Open. Now here's the easy part. Go to the left toolbar and look for the Remove BG option. If you don't see it, use Magic Cut instead. Click once and Photopea will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you. It usually does a pretty good job, but yeah, sometimes it needs a little fixing. After that, you can refine the edges using the Mask tool. Select the Layer Mask, then use a soft brush to clean up areas around hair or corners. Take your time here because this step makes the biggest difference in quality. Quick tip, if the automatic cut isn't perfect, you can go to Select, then select Subject, and then invert the selection to manually control what stays and what gets removed. This gives you more precision, especially for complex backgrounds. Now, once everything looks good, go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG. PNG is important because it keeps the background transparent. JPEG will add a white background again, so make sure you pick the right format. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you remove background in Photopea in a few simple steps. If you want, you can try different images and practice a bit, and you'll get faster over time. Yeah, that's it. All right, just practice once or twice, and it becomes really easy. Hey,